Yo, what's going on, guys? Jeremy here, and I wanted to do a really quick video on a new company called the Prop Trading. They're based out of Australia, and they're making some noise out here in the prop trading community. So I took their challenge, and I wanted to share my results with you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, here's the company, the Prop Trading. They're in Australia, and they allow you to trade forex, indices, metals, and cryptos. They have an 80-20 profit split, so that's pretty cool. You get 8% of your profits, and they keep 20%. So that's pretty good compared to a lot of other companies. They have a 200K account with a max leverage of 1 to 200, which is really cool. Doing these challenges, though, you really won't need that much leverage, depending on your strategy. So I guess whoever takes this challenge and you need that much leverage, you probably should dial it back a little bit and hit the drawing board one more time. But how to become a funded trader? You want to take the evaluation program, pass a 2-step evaluation, and you should receive guaranteed funding. So a few of the account sizes, they range anywhere from 50K to 200K, 200K being the best value at $800, and you can have a max account size of initial capital of $500,000, which is $500,000, and that is pretty good for a lot of people. So the profit target is a target of 8%, which is really cool. And the step 2 verification is a 4% target. So that's beating a lot of other companies out there. Maximum loss is $20,000, which is 10%, and for the 200K, and then the max daily loss is 5%, which is also really cool. Like I said, 1 to 200 leverage. You need to trade a minimum of 10 days on the challenge and verification in order to receive funding. Once you have a funded account, I saw an interview that basically was saying that you don't have to hit that daily, the minimum trading day requirement. You can trade how often or however often, or if you want to take a month off, you can. So that's pretty cool. A lot of people are not pressured into taking trades every single month. Once you get the account, it's yours as long as you don't break any rules, right? So the prop share 80%, and these fees down here are refundable. So for 50K, it's $279, ranging all the way up to $799 for the 200K. And once you pass the challenge and you also pass the verification, you get your funded account. Hopefully you don't lose it within the first month, which you shouldn't. Once you do your first profit split, they'll give you the option to get your funds back for the initial application fee. So that's pretty cool, and you can find some good promo codes out there. If you go search on YouTube, see some different interviews they have done, different YouTubers have done with the owner, one of the co-founders of the company. They have promo codes, so you can get, I believe, a minimum or a maximum of 10% back on your refund. So if you put out, $500, you should get an extra $50 when you pass and withdraw. So that's pretty cool. So forex, they have 50 plus pairs. Indices, they have, I believe, 10. They're missing 2 on here, and then cryptos, I can't remember how many, but you can trade those as well. And they also have metals and those guys. So you want to trade what they have on here. So I seen one of the people in the Telegram complain about how they violated one of the rules because they traded stocks. So the broker is BRK Holdings, and they are the broker. So they offer a lot of different instruments and stuff. But the prop trading only wants you to trade forex indices, cryptos, metals that they have provided. So if you're trading stocks, that's violating one of the rules. You can't trade that during a challenge and verification. Now, mind you, I understand if you weren't able to trade it, why is it being offered on the broker? But they can't control what the broker offers, so understand that. Um, One of the things that I like, me personally, I like MT5. They use MT5 as their platform to trade with. They don't offer MT4 at the moment or C Trader. I'm curious about C Trader, so I want to see those offered in the future, just to broaden the horizon for a lot of traders to come in and have the opportunity to trade with this company. So uh, the capital, the funded capital is unlimited. It's no cap on profits. It's no cap on account size, anything like that. Um, like I said, it's an 80% profit split, 1 to 200 leverage. Two good things I really like about this company. They have You have the ability to trade during news events, so that is amazing. And they also have a no. You could trade. You could hold your trades over the weekend. You can't execute trades on the weekend, but you could hold them throughout the weekend with no problem. Um, and then you have monthly withdrawals. So um, their scaling plan is really really cool. So every 3 months, if you are a minimum of 6% in profit over the course of 3 months, your funding capital increases by 25% of your initial capital. So, and also you have to be in the black. So, 2 of the 3 months you have to be in profit. You have to be in the black 2 of the 3 months and average 6% over the course of those 3 months. And you get your account scaled at 25%. So imagine having a 500K account. You hit a minimum of 6%. 3 months later, you hit all the requirements, and they put an extra $125,000 into your account, which is amazing. You do that throughout the year. At the end of the year, you'll have a $1 million account. So take it slow, guys. Don't rush the process. If you want to compound, like leaving money in there and then just using those funds to compound, they allow you to do that, and they promote that. They like that. So they're giving you the flexibility you need. So that's a win-win for me. Um, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I want to go over and show you some of my trades that I took for the challenge. I passed the challenge in 6 days. Basically, a lot of people know me as a futures trader, but I also trade forex here and there. I trade smart money concepts, so that's the way I enter and exit the market. And yeah, let me go over and show you some of my trades. Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeremy here. So really quick, I wanted to go over the prop trading. It's a new firm, prop trading firm. If you're not familiar with prop trading firms, they're basically private companies that have either private investors or their own personal capital that you trade. They'll let you trade their capital for them after passing a challenge or a phase or whatever. And after you pass that and you prove that you're profitable and you're credible, they'll fund you. You'll trade their capital for them, and you get a profit split, usually once a month or bi-weekly. So this specific company, I was really excited with them because they had a few things that kind of outweighed a lot of the other ones out there. They have a 500K initial starting capital max. So they have a $50,000 account, $100,000 and $200,000 account.
and you could combine accounts up to 500K initially. And they also have a scaling plan of 25% every 3 months. 2 of the months you have to be profitable in the black, and you have to have a minimum of 6% over the course of those 3 months. And I thought that was pretty cool. You can scale up your account really fast with them. And so on to the challenge. The challenge, you have to have a minimum of 8% profit in a total of 30 days. After you do 30 days, you go to the verification phase. But if you pass it sooner, you can move on to the next phase. So I passed it in 6 days. So I'm a smart money trader. I'm not really a traditional retail trading type of guy. I like liquidity moves and stuff like that. So I was really specific with entering and exiting the market. I was doing anywhere between 1% to 0.5% on my entries, my risk for the trade. And I took multiple positions per trade just to, kind of take money off the table. So yeah, but minimum profit target 8%. Max daily drawdown was 5%. Total drawdown was 10%. So on to the trades. So I started March 22nd, 2021, 2 days before my birthday. So I thought this was pretty cool, pretty cool gift for myself. Started off with a loss. Took a trade on USD CAD. Those positions failed, and I was in drawdown about 1%. And just, back and forth, going up and down 1%, 2% here and there. I think through this stint, I drew down almost 3%. I think it was like 2.6. And then I quickly rebounded with EJ and GU moving forward. And that last GU trade took me over the profit target. So my risk to reward is anywhere from 1 to 3, 1 to 4, to it could be 1 to 20 plus. But I'm more so of I like to get in and out as soon as possible. But with these type of trades, you kind of have to hold them. And for the sake of the challenge, I was doing anywhere between 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, stuff like that. So the last few trades you see was just to hit the daily requirement, the daily trading requirement of a minimum of 10 days within the 30-day period. So that's why I did small lot trades there, just to pass. And I hit my target within 6 days, and now I'm waiting for my verification credentials. Everything is pretty smooth with my experience with customer support. A lot of people in their Telegram are, kind of back and forth between that. But my personal experience, everything has been fine. As long as you don't break any of their rules, or, if you have any hiccups with your account, just contact them. They'll give you a new account. Understand this is a newer company, so don't, freak out and call it a scam or anything like that. It's like I said, it's a newer company. They're going to go through growing pains. You got to weather the storm and look forward to, what's going to happen in the future. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. And I want to make sure that you guys follow me along on my journey. I'm eventually going to take 2 more 200K challenges to combine it to 500K. And I'm going to document the withdrawal process, everything like that. So make sure you're subscribed, you're tuned in, you follow me, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.